Guys, in this video we will learn how to install Tailwind CSS in Laravel application. So let's get started. So you can see that I already downloaded fresh Laravel application. Okay, and now we will simply follow the few steps to install Tailwind CSS in Laravel application. So I already written the tutorial on it. So let me scroll down here and you can see that there is a first command to install Tailwind CSS using the npm. So I will copy it and let me go to the terminal, and here let me simply copy and paste and hit enter, and it will take some time and download all the packages. So you can see that there is audited 166 packages and it installed. Okay, now there is another command called like tailwind css init. So by default Laravel already give the tailwind.config.js, and they already did like blade and js and view. Okay, so you can see that in the next step as well we given like tailwind.config.js and blade file js view file, because in the older version they are not providing this file. So we need to do the manual configuration on it. So in Laravel 11 you don't have to do, so just make sure this is all three added or not. Okay, and the next thing, if I scroll down you can see that there is a white.config. So you need to just copy these import things first. Okay, and go to the white, and simply first I will go and import the tailwind css, and next I will add css plugins. Okay, so if I go here and simply copy and paste and save it. Okay, and now if I go here, you need to make sure that into the css there is added like tailwind css like base component and utilities or not. Okay, so I will go here and into the resources css and app.css, it's already added when we install the npm. Okay, like tailwind base components and utilities. Okay, so just we need to make sure. Now let me go here and you can see that that's installed, so we've already done that. So we don't have to do these two command. And now if I go here and I will simply run first. Okay, go to the welcome page, and I will simply say html. Okay, and here what I will do, simply copy these white things. So if I go and paste it, and I will say Laravel tailwind css. Okay, and simply I will create the container. Okay, and container div, and then I will say simply, okay, and let me make it the format for it. Okay, and I will simply copy this h1 tag. Okay, and simply paste it over here, and yeah, that's it. Save it. Okay, and now let me run the white. So I will say npm run dev. So it's run our white. Okay, into the localhost, and let me go and run our application. So I will say php artisan serve. Okay, and now let me go here and run our application. You can see that how to install tailwind css. And if I go to the inspect element, and you can see that into the app css there is a font bold, and you can see that some font size, line height, and all the things underline. So it's adding the tailwind css and it is working. So let me add some padding on the above. So I will simply say p top 5 4 for example, and if I go here you can see that. So let me make it like 8 maybe. Yeah, you can see that more space on the top. So it is working the tailwind css. Let me go to the website and let me use one component over here. That is, this is the component. I will copy this code. Okay, simply right now, and simply I will paste it over here. Okay, paste it. Okay, and let me make it some format over there. Yeah, that's it. Okay, simply save it. Okay, and now let me go here and let me see the result. You can see that how it is working, like online icon and all the things. And if you go here into the css part, you can see that they write its own like more css for this components. Okay, so I hope guys you can add the multiples css like a tailwind css class, and it helps to improve your design. So I hope guys you understand how to install tailwind css, and if you like my video then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this guys.